Wow, what a difference a few days makes. I went away on a work trip 5 days ago, and this is what I came back to. There wasn't any snow on the ground when I left, and now there's knee-deep snow everywhere. I barely made it in my driveway. Way down there at the end of the driveway, I almost got stuck, and then I got stuck right up here also. I was able to power out of this one and get myself unstuck, but I gotta get the snow moved. So let's get after it and move the snow. When I left, there was no snow on top of this trash can, so let's clear off a little bit and see how deep it is. I got my tape measure. How much snow do you think we got? 16.5 inches. That's a good bit of snow for our first real snow of the season. Unfortunately, I gotta get it moved so I can get out of here and emergency vehicles can get in if needed. So let's get this moved. I could do this with the snowblower, but I'm gonna fire up the beast to make the job easier. We're gonna have to let her warm up. So I'll catch back up with you guys once she's warmed up. let the snowblower warm up for a couple minutes, but this is what I got done so far, as you saw. I got this little bit of the driveway kind of cleared out. I need to go back over it. I haven't done any of this yet. And I did, whoa, I almost fell. I did from here all the way down to the road. I did down the road that way a little ways because that's where the snow comes when the municipality plows, and they often plow the driveway in. So I cleared all that so that won't happen. I even did some work for the couple neighbors that I have. Just being nice, generous. But I got all this done. And then I also plowed over to the well because I need some water. Oh yeah, I also plowed this little area right here somewhat. This is where I'm gonna be pushing a lot of the snow this winter. So let's go up. I'm sure the snow blower's warmed up by now, so let's go up and use that. I guess I should say, I'm not doing a real good job this time, but that's on purpose. I want to get a little bit of a base down on the gravel. That way the snow blower's not throwing rocks and stuff all winter long. So let's get over to the snow blower. If it's not one thing, it's something else. I'm pretty sure I broke the drive belt on my snowblower. The auger still turns, so that's good, but the wheels won't go forward or backwards. Well, the tracks won't go forward or backwards, so it has to be the drive belts that's inside of it. I'm not gonna worry about it today. I'm just gonna go in, get something to eat, and take it easy rest of the night. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. It's 2 days later, and the snow's still here, so we got to get this moved. Unfortunately, yesterday I didn't have time to work on the snowblower, so we're gonna fire up the excavator and get this snow moved. While the beast is warming up, my Azure order came in a couple days ago. I got 3 40-pound bags of rabbit feed, so let's get those put away, Plus, I need to get some fuel in her. So let's do that while we wait. Here's my broken snowblower. I keep the feed in this 55-gallon drum, that way animals and stuff can't get into it. I have one bag in there already, so let's get the other ones put in. I have the entire driveway done all the way through here and clear over to the connexes. And I have the entire parking area cleared out. I just have this turnaround area. So let's get this done. We're burning daylight. I got everything done, and I survived the first major snowstorm of the 2024-25 season. As you can see, I got the whole driveway done. I got this turnaround area. I got my main parking area, and then I got over by the connexes all cleaned out. The seasons have changed, but don't worry, there's still gonna be building videos. Also, I'm gonna do Alaska Adventure in the wintertime. So make sure you're subscribed and have a great day.